Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can check Pinterest views. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Pinterest on your phone. Now what you need to do is switch to a professional account. Go to your profile on the bottom, tap on the top, and what you need to do is find your products. So you can see that these all are your products over here. So you can see, if you want to see the performance or the views, you can go to manage account. You can see now you must convert to a business account. Grow your business or brand with tools such as ads and analytics. Your content, profile and followers will stay the same. You can reverse this change in settings, so go ahead and click on convert account. Now you can write down your profile name. After you write down your profile name, you can see the next button on the bottom. Tap on it and then you must write down the URL to your website. So go ahead and write down the website name which you own. After that, click next. Then you can see describe your business. You can read this and you can easily select this and click next. After that, you can select one of these which you want and click next once again. And there you go, you have just created a business or professional account. You can go to the updates or inbox and change or see your uses. You can see some of the pins over here. These all are your pins. Now to check the matrix, you can see that you can check it from here. So this is how you can check your views. You can check your views once people started viewing it, they will be shown over here. So guys, this is how you can check your views on Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.